see the next vid. Just a test to see if it changes out of drive. Okay, the drive 5 is blinking. The drive 5 is blinking. Okay. Just gonna wait a little bit. I don't know if you can hear that whining. Probably just needs some power steering fluid. It's all pumping back in through there. Alright, this is my first attempt to try to shift gears. Okay, I'll put transmission fluid in there. Try to see if we get the pressure back. Let's see if it's working. Okay, so now it's in reverse. Let that do it for 30 seconds.